Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice.
It's showtime.
Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel, and also the first Halloween video of this year. I do feel like I am a little bit late with the Halloween videos, but it's because I've been away. I've been in the US and I'm going to fly a lot this month, so we'll see how many that I can actually do. But today I'm going to recreate a look that I did last year, but I'm going to make it a lot cooler. Actually just going to do a Beetlejuice makeup Halloween look kind of thing, because I have to do it because I have green hair and it suits this look perfectly. And I'm also really excited because I'm actually doing this in collaboration with The Body Shop. I was just in New York with The Body Shop handing over the 8.3 million signatures that we got in the Forever Against Animal Testing campaign. So if you guys signed the petition, thank you so much. It helped so much and making animal testing illegal so much faster with all of these signatures, so thank you so much. And if you want to see the vlog when I was there, I will have it linked down below. Alright, so let's get started, let's get spooky, let's get Beetlejuicy. I'm going to do my hair last, so I just have it now up in a ponytail. And also I have to excuse my skin right now, it is breaking out and I have a weird scar right here because I think that I actually like hid myself with my nail. Weird story, but yeah. First step is to hide my redness because I do not want to be a red ghost. So I'm going to use the matte clay concealer from The Body Shop in the shade 10, and I'm just going to use this like on my pimples and redness and stuff like that. I don't really care about my under eyes because I do want to look tired and dead. To create my base, I'm gonna use the shade 12 from the matte clay foundation. That is my normal shade, and then I'm going to mix it with a lot of the lightening drops to make it as pale as possible. And then just setting everything with a plain white powder. And I'm gonna use the sponge to lay this down. Now for the fun part, the shading and all of the colors. I'm going to use my palette that I've done myself. And I'm gonna use the purple shade right here, the red one, the yellow, and the black. And I'm going to shade my face, make it look a little bit gross. Like the yellow to make like a little bit of a bruising effect. And don't forget the ears, and also I'm gonna take it down my neck and chest area. That is the base done, and now I'm gonna go in with mostly of the purple, a little bit of the black, and I'm just gonna make my look sharp as fuck. And I've kind of changed track. I feel like I wanted to look almost like a painting of some sort. But now I'm gonna go in with the new lipsticks. And these are amazing. I love them so much. And I'm gonna use them on my eyes mostly. Also on the lips, but mostly on the eyes. And this is something that it's safe, but you shouldn't use it every single day, but you could use it for a Halloween makeup tutorial for one night. I promise you, you won't die. I'm gonna use the black shade called 910 and then the purple shade called 905. And I'm mostly using these as a base, and also I want it to look very grungy and very gross, so that is why I use a lipstick, because I want it to look very shiny kind of thing, and like messy, you know. Yeah. So I'm going to use this on more the middle, underneath, a little there. I'm also going to go in with the matte kajal, and I'm gonna use it in my waterline because this is obviously for the eyes, so it's safe for the waterline. And now again for the purple and black shade, I'm just going to blend this out and we'll see where it takes us. I'm trying to like smudge this out a little bit by just dipping my brush like this. Now that I've done the eyes, I think that the shading looks a little bit weak. So I'm just gonna go in and make everything a little bit darker. Everybody knows that Beetlejuice has some kind of moss on him. I think it's called moss in English at least, and therefore you need some green, and I am going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimates palette, and I'm gonna use this shade, and I'm just gonna layer this a little bit all over. And from what I could see, the Body Shop doesn't really have a green shade, so that is why I'm using this one. Alright, I'm also going to shade my chest a little bit. Shade these. A little lipstick on the actual lips. And also a little bit of the black. Alrighty, a good base. And now for also the star of the show, the eyeliner. He can do so much with just a black eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with the Star Stamp liner, but I'm actually not gonna use the Star Stamp. If you have not seen it, this is how it looks. It's the best thing ever. I love it so much. But I'm gonna use the just normal felt tip eyeliner, and I'm gonna fill in my brows. I'm also going to fill in like a drawn cartoon character, like my cheekbones and stuff like that, and also the lips. There we go. And now I'm gonna use the white kajal again, and I'm just going to make some things stand out a little bit, like my brow bone, my nose. The last makeup product that we will use today before we go in with the hair is the new Lash Hero mascara, and I'm gonna use the black. First off, I'm gonna use the mascara, and then afterwards the fibers that is on the other end of the mascara to make these super long. And then for some spark, I'm just gonna go in with the sparkler from the Body Shop and use it mostly on my body. Okay, I just changed into a super push-up bra, so don't be scared about my newfound boobies. Ooh, and it smells so good. So this is the end of this video and the look is finally done. I am in love with it. I love the, like, I want to say modern twist on Beetlejuice. I still think it screams Beetlejuice, but it also, like, it's something else there, which I love. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for The Body Shop teaming up with me in this video. Please go and check out the vlog that I did in New York. It was actually really cool and empowering, and also I was thrown out of FN, so it could be fun to see. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys are excited for Halloween, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye guys!